Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone, and do you have awkward work situations like this happening from time to time? Well, stay tuned, because this video is for you. There are a lot of woodworking tasks that seem to require at least 3 hands, sometimes more. It can really be frustrating, and even using clamps, sometimes tasks can go akimbo. Securely handling material in woodworking is so important, both for success and for safety. And those are the very problems that classic workbenches like this Sjobergs Nordic 1450 are designed to solve, whether it is working with power tools or hand tools. It's hard to overstate how much a quality bench like this with dog holes, bench dogs, a dead flat top can make work in the shop easier. Whether you're using power tools or hand tools, getting a grip on your workpieces is the key to safety and success, and a workbench makes that easy. The Nordic 1450 is outfitted with a side vise and an end vise. And you've already seen them working with bench dogs, but they also make piecework easier too. For example, making beadlock mortises, refining tenons, chopping out mortises. Remember when I mentioned that the Nordic 1450 bench top is dead flat? That's important for so many reasons. For example, now I know that this table needs a little bit more work. Who built this thing? Good grief, is nothing flat? Well-made woodworking benches like this one from Sjobergs are like a jig or a tool. They're much more than a woodworking surface. Just by making use of what they do makes you a better woodworker. And while a quality woodworking bench does not need to have storage like this, it again makes you more effective and less hungry. So that's it for today. I hope you learned a little bit about the Sjobergs 1450 Nordic bench and why workbenches are so important in your shop. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworkers Journal. Thank you for watching.